Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple methods to create borders in Adobe Illustrator. You can use these frames in your own design projects or even sell them as digital products. Let's start by creating a new document, 8.5 inches by 11 inches. For the first method, I'm using the Blob Brush Tool. This method is perfect for creating doodle-style borders. Double-click the Blob Brush Tool to adjust its settings, like smoothness or brush size. You can start by sketching your design first and tracing over it, or just go freehand. Here, I'm trying to make a ribbon-inspired frame. If you want more precision or control over your shapes, you might prefer the pen tool, so you can tweak the anchor points more easily. For this method, first create a small element that your frame will be made from. I'm using a ribbon shape, drawn with the Blob Brush Tool. Open the Brushes panel, then drag your shape into the panel and choose a scatter brush. Now use the rectangle tool to draw a border shape on your artboard. In the scatter brush settings, you can play around with size, spacing, scatter, and rotation until you're happy with the result. This method uses a repeating element to form a continuous border. It works great for doodle or geometric style frames. I use the rectangle tool, ellipse tool, a line tool to create different parts of the frame. Once your design is ready, you'll see which part needs to repeat. Use another rectangle to mask the area you want to use. Select everything, right-click, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Use the Pathfinder Merge tool to clean it up so extra shapes aren't included. Now drag it into the Brushes panel and choose Pattern Brush. Draw a rectangle on the artboard and apply your new brush as a stroke. You can easily adjust the size and color too. And that's it, 3 easy ways to draw borders in Adobe Illustrator. Try them out, mix and match, and see which one works best for your style. Thanks for watching.